guys, this is Tony with BodyArmorVent, guys. Today I'm going to talk to you about our new I.C.E kit. A little different from our previous kit. Our previous kit was air. This one has foam in it instead of an air pump, so no more pump. Other than that, they do the exact same thing. All right, guys. In the kit, you get 2 panels, one for front and back, approximately 6 feet of hook Velcro, and a wonderful installation little guide here. Shows you how the airflow goes on it, the kit works, and some different ways of installing the Velcro. Today I'm going to stick it on my range kit that I use at the range all the time when I'm being a range officer. I cheated, guys. I cut some Velcro prior already. One of the ways you can do is I flip it upside down where it's going to go, and I'll stick the hook down onto the kit itself. Just like this. I try to go on the ridges, guys, that way it lets more airflow go through instead of covering up the holes, because the holes help let air go out. So one of the ways you go like that, put it on here like this. Biggest thing of all, guys, more than anything is second way here, and you see I'm going to go on the top where the arch is, down the sides here, and again I'll step back to it. I stopped myself talking a second ago. Biggest thing is, guys, on this material, make sure it's clean. Whether it's, this is mesh, whether it's 500, 1000 couture, make sure it's clean, washed, no grime, sweat, grub. You just want to make sure it's as clean as possible so that Velcro adhesive will stick to it and stay to it. Like if I pull this up, I guarantee one of them are going to come off because it has not adhered to it long enough. Let it sit a day or two, you're fine. And it's like this. See? Lost 2 of them. They came off because it hasn't set long enough. This one's going to go right like that. This one, because it's set probably better the way I stuck it, nothing came off. So guys, the longer you let it sit before you start ripping it off, the better it's going to be. Like I said, guys, again, this is our new I.C.E kit. There's not much different from the other one. It pumps the heat out like it's supposed to. It has no bulb no more. So guys, you need this for your kit if you want to stay cool. So this is Tony with BodyArmorVent. See you guys later.